अस्सलाम वालेकुम सामीन। लर्नर कम्पिटेटिव एग्ज़ाम्स में एक बार फिर आपको खुश आमदीद कहते हैं। सामीन, आज हम इंटरनेशनल करंट अफेयर अगस्त मंथ 2024 के डिस्कस करेंगे। इम्पोर्टेंट नोट के ये वीडियो सीरीज़ हमारी थोड़ी सी लेट हो गई थी, डिले हो गई थी, तो इंशाल्लाह इसको फिर टाइमली कंटिन्यू करेंगे। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट नाउ। Which country has recently, in July 2024, mediated the unity deal between Hamas and Al Fatah? Answer is China. On 30 July 2024, Hezbollah top commander was killed in an Israel airstrike in southern Beirut named Fawad Shakar. ये शक्कर पढ़ते हैं या फवाद शक्कर। On 1st August 2024, the US and Russia conducted the most extensive prisoner exchange since the end of the Cold War. इसमें 26 पीपल को रिलीज़ किया गया था दोनों तरफ से। On August 2nd, 2024, which Muslim country blocks Instagram access in response to Instagram removing posts related to the death of Ismail Hania? Answer is Turkey. The 2024 Bangladesh quota reform movement began on June 6, 2024, or they were ended on 3 August 2024. The 2024 Bangladesh quota reform movement was an anti-governmental and pro-democracy protest in response to the Supreme Court of Bangladesh reinstating a how many percent quota, 30% quota for descendant of freedom fighters. The Bangladesh Non-Cooperation Movement, also known as the One Point Movement, began on 4 August 2024 when Sheikh Hasina resigned as PM of Bangladesh and fled to India. Answer is August 5, 2024. Which country to host first BIMSTEC बिजनेस समिट इन 2024? ये जो बिम्स्टेक है ये बेसिकली एक इंडिया में ऑन अगस्त 6, 2024 न्यू दिल्ली में हुई थी। करंट एंड न्यू चीफ ऑफ हमास। आंसर इज याह्या सिंवार। An UNIS-led interim government in Bangladesh was formed on August 7, 2024. जो यूनिस हैं या मोहम्मद यूनिस हैं उसे माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स में नोबल प्राइज़ मिला हुआ है, तो वो बांग्लादेश के इंटरिम गवर्नमेंट के सेटअप में वो आजकल हैं। करंट चीफ एडवाइज़र इंटरिम द हेड ऑफ गवर्नमेंट ऑफ बांग्लादेश, उसका नाम मोहम्मद यूनस है। अगस्त 9, 2024, a plane crashed outside the Brazilian city of Sao Paulo, killed 61 people. When Israel attacked on the Al Tabin school in the Daraj area of Gaza City, killing over 100 Palestinians. Answer is August 10, 2024. On August 11, 2024, which country deployed a guided missile submarine to the Middle East due to increasing tensions after the deaths of top members of Hamas and Hezbollah? Answer is USA. Which country won the most gold medals in Paris 2024 Olympics? Answer is USA और चाइना। ये दोनों कंट्रीज इक्वल गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट के विनर हैं। विच कंट्री वन द मोस्ट सिल्वर मेडल इन द पेरिस 2024 ओलंपिक्स? आंसर इज यूएस। इसने 40 सिल्वर मेडल विन किए हैं। Which country won the most bronze medal in the Paris 2024 Olympics? Answer is USA और 42 ब्रॉन्ज मेडल वन किए हैं. Most medals in the Paris 2024 Olympics. Answer is USA. Total 126 medals इसने वन किए हैं. World Elephant Day celebrated on August 12 every year. Recently, the scientists have discovered a reservoir of liquid water on which planet? Answer is Mars. August 11, 2024, who was sworn in for the fourth term as Rwandan president? Answer is Paul Kagame. When World Health Organization declares Mpox a global public health emergency? Answer is August 14, 2024. Which country has recently introduced the M174B, an extremely long-range air-to-air missile in the Indo-Pacific? Answer is USA. In August 2024, which country reintroduces compulsory military service? Answer is Croatia. In August 2024, who was sworn in as the new youngest Prime Minister of Thailand? Answer is Paton Tarn Shinawatra. In August 2024, which country joined as the 18th member state of the United Nations Command in South Korea? Answer is Germany. Recently, where was the 24th International Mother Teresa Award ceremony held? Answer is Dubai. The 2024 Summer Paralympics being held in Paris, France. How many nations participating in 2024 Summer Paralympics? Answer is 170. Recently, Shannon Jebrail and David Malan retired from international cricket. Which country they belong? West Indies and England. August 2024, Chief Election Commissioner Sikandar Sultan Raja met with Chairman of the Central Election Commission of Azerbaijan, Mazahir Penahov. Which country on August 30, 2024 had deported 28 Afghan national criminals back to their home country for the first time since Taliban authorities took power in 2021? Answer is Germany. Which country's Supreme Court on August 30, 2024 ordered social media platform X, formerly Twitter, to be shut down in the country? Answer is Brazil. सामीन, ये अगस्त मंथ 2024 के इंटरनेशनल करंट अफेयर थे. इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नए टॉपिक के साथ मिलते हैं. तब तक अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.